are the rice cakes? Where are the rice cakes? Not on this aisle. I'm always adding stuff I don't need. The best cheese ever. Alright, so now that I am back from Winn-Dixie and Walmart, we're gonna just go ahead and get into what I purchased. Okay, so I went ahead and got some hazelnut creamer. I'm starting to be a fan of the Delight brand. I never was until I went to Kiki's and they had the hazelnut delight and I extremely loved it. All right, so I am a big fan of ice. So I got the brand here. So this is ice sparkling water. I like diet soda, but I extremely love ice. And then I got some more water. So I got these two here. I didn't even realize that was messed up. I got some more eggs. I went and got me a bonnet. I got me some more edge control, some thick hair bands. And then I got my Ferrero Rocher dark chocolate hazelnut. I love this. I got some heavy whipping cream. Some heavy ready whip. So I didn't get the sugar-free kind because they didn't have it. So I was like, okay, it only has 1 gram of carbs, less than 1 sugar. Might as well just say 1 sugar. I felt like this was still fine to get. I love this Thai style sweet chili sauce. I love to put this on my homemade egg rolls. Well, spring rolls. I usually make spring rolls. But I like to just put this on tacos, whatever. I love this sauce. I got me some Kodiak pancakes. This one has 15 grams. This is the buttermilk. I do prefer the chocolate chip, but they didn't have it. And I was going to try the dark chocolate, but I was afraid I wouldn't like it. And then also it was only 12 grams of protein, where this one was 15 grams. This one is for London because she likes Rice Krispie treats. She also likes apples, so I got that for her and I. I got me some strawberries so I can start getting back into my smoothies. I went ahead and got Maxwell House. For some reason, the Folgers brand is tasting kind of weird. I don't know what is wrong with my taste buds, but I'm just not feeling the Folgers. Went ahead and got some more barbecue sauce. And I got the Oikos 000. These here, the ones that come in a tub, they have higher grams of protein. So this one is 17. In a container, like the little individuals, and they're 15 grams. Now, these are okay, but my preference is the vanilla because I can add granola, I can add fruit to it, and it tastes so much better when it's the vanilla versus the mixed berries and all of that. So here I got some log cabin maple syrup. I like maple syrup better. To each his own. It's 110 calories per 2 tablespoons. So I like that. Not all the time I will get sugar-free stuff like this. I love the sugar-free honey. This one was like almost $3, but I like it because I can sprinkle this on my parfait, and I prefer to have some of my calories in other food items versus having them in my condiments all the time. So I like to mix and match a little bit. Got some milk for London. I got some marshmallows for London because she likes to put those in her hot cocoa. I went ahead and got some Mission's Carb Balance. This one is 4 net carbs. I like the big ones because here I can make a tortilla wrap. I can pizza wrap, whatever it is that I want. I got some the apple cinnamon rice cakes. I don't usually get rice cakes, but I decided to switch it up just a little bit. Change it up. Change is always good. You don't always have to buy the same thing over and over. I got some mozzarella cheese and some mild cheddar cheese because I like to make homemade pizzas. I do get the, let me see, pick up the pita bread. This one is 6 grams of protein. This one is the Joseph Flax Oat brand and whole wheat. I use this to make like my homemade pizzas. So I love these right here. So hey, it's low on carbs and it's a good pita bread. Really hold. All right, picked up some more toothpaste. I picked up this from Winn-Dixie. Went ahead and picked up some shredded lettuce. I like to have that in my wraps, or I will make a ham sandwich and just add the shredded lettuce, or make a homemade sub sandwich. I got London some fries. Sometimes I will eat these fries if I choose not to have the homemade fries, which will be made out of red potatoes. So to switch it up, from time to time, I will have just regular fries, but it's been a while since I had regular fries, so yeah. And hence the reason why I picked up the barbecue sauce, because I like barbecue sauce on my fries. Picked up some Downy, picked up London some Little Bites. I love, love, love to add this on my, whatever it is that I like to have. So if I have rice, I like to sprinkle a little bit of this on there. My dryer is acting out of control, sorry. All right, so then I have my shredded Parmesan cheese. Then I have my grape jelly. And then I just decided to pick up this Super Coffee Positive Energy. This one is 10 grams of protein. So it's the vanilla latte. I never had this before, and I would like to try it. They say it's keto friendly, but yeah, I didn't get it because I'm on keto, because I'm not. All right, so make sure you check out my next video, and it's going to be what I eat in a day on intermittent fasting. Again, my pancakes, so make sure you tune in for that. And I will check you out a little bit later. Goodbye, gorgeous.